In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sync your profile picture between your Instagram and your Facebook account. But before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can sync your profile picture between your Instagram account and your Facebook account. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Facebook app, click on the bottom right, your profile picture, and then click on the top right, the three lines icon, which is the burger icon, settings. Alright, then click on account center. Okay, then you go to connected experiences, and then you can see syncing profile picture, click on it. So you can start a new sync. You can see that this feature doesn't support Meta verified subscribers, so if you are verified, you cannot sync it. Okay, there's a lot of caveats using this syncing as well. It is not as seamless as it could. There's a lot of issues there as well. But I'm just going to show you how to sync it only. Alright, I also face a lot of issues on syncing, but at least if you want to do it, you can try. Okay, if it works, that's great. If it cannot work, I think just do it manually. Okay, let's start a new sync. So you can just click on both profile that you want to sync, continue, pick the picture that you want, and then click save. Okay, I might not want to change the picture right now. So just click save and then it will update accordingly. So yeah, so that's how easily you can sync your profile picture across your Instagram or Facebook account. Again, there's a few issues here and there, and then you might find that it is a bit challenging sometimes, but if you cannot do it, I think just do it manually. Okay. And also, if you're Meta verified, you can't do it. Yeah, so that's it. So I hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can see more social media tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.